So do you need a fun afternoon snack for the kids to have before they head out with their costumes on Halloween?
Christina Hart from Foodology is showing us how to make an easy snack that kids can help out with too. And this has to be one of the most clever things I've ever seen. Kara showed it to me before the show and I was like, that is disgusting.
But so cool.
But so cool.
Edible, I love stuff like this because we do a little trick-or-treat thing. You just need stuff to put out quick that the kids can eat. But how cute is this? These are graham crackers?
They are graham crackers. So what we did here, it's super quick, super easy. You could do it with your kids. It is graham crackers broken up into pieces. We have a little piece of white fondant in the middle. You can use marshmallows as well. And then we have our red edible marker. And these are great. We love edible markers at Foodology.
I've never heard of an edible marker.
Yeah, I mean, it's not edible like, you don't want to lick it, but it's made out of food color, so you can sort of play with it. So, Scott, I don't know, do you want to just do one quick for us?
So you just take the marker, and where can you buy these? In any...
You really can, big box
Michael's
stores, Michael's, anything like that, you can find them.
So I'm wondering if you, that's great, we can get those anywhere, but if you had a little bit of leftover like red food coloring, could you just put a drop in there?
You could. You can even dilute it a little bit with water and kind of flick it, and it looks like blood splatter. That's awesome.
So gross, I love it.
That's so cool. They really do look like little band-aids. I like how on the black tray you left the box just so people know what it is. Okay. All right. Now we're gonna make.
Now we're gonna make what I call cavity corn because it's really legit gonna give you cavity. So what we have here is we have air popped popcorn. It's not buttered, not seasoned, anything. And then we have our color. So we have this kind of disgusting looking green. And all you're gonna do is you're gonna take this, you're gonna drizzle, and then we've got some fun mix-ins. So we have eyeballs, we have candy corn, we have the pumpkins, we've got these nonpareils here, and then when it's done, you wait until it hardens, and then you bag it up like that.
All right, so we just kind of, you want us to just slop it in there. And,
right on there.
I noticed some of it's chunky, and that's okay because you want it to almost look like slime.
That looks even better.
All right, so
chunky.
And these are just those meltable chocolates.
Meltable chocolates.
You can get them in all different colors.
Yeah, today we did the green and the orange, but you can also, oh, you're getting it all over there. No, it's okay.
It's okay.
You can use regular chocolate as well, white chocolate, and then you're just going to go ahead and put those all on there.
And let it all harden, and then you're going to break it up. And how cute are these little bags that she made? Those are so, and so you've got this, put this out, these little cavity corn bags. So cute.
We love those.
Oh, that's
so
great.
you just, you just put the eyes and everything in here? And then
right in there, and then you let it harden. It hardens pretty quick, and then you're just going to break it up into pieces and go ahead and bag it, or put it in a bowl. It's awesome.
That's so great. I love it. And you know what? Everyone has like leftover things in their baking closet, so you can use what you have. Okay.
You can. And then this is one of my favorite things. If you want to give your kids just a quick snack dinner before they go out, these are actually quesadillas, and basically, again, with the edible markers, we just go ahead and draw. We let them be creative. So we have a Jacqueline there, we have Frankenstein here. I don't know if anybody's interested in just going ahead.
Draw? We have a little time. Let's draw a spooky face. And then what's ultimately going to happen while he's drawing, and you could have this set up with the markers so kids could do their own if you wanted, or you could do it ahead of time, maybe just your kids are helping. And then you just want us to sprinkle some cheese.
Sprinkle some cheese.
You need them to eat real food before they go out for their candy for the night, because they just turn into little ghouls if they don't have any real food.
And these are great. This is a spinach tortilla. This is sun-dried tomato over here, but you can use regular tortillas as well.
Okay, so different flavors. And I like that. Then you've got red and green too, like different spooky colors in a way.
You're just going to go ahead and throw this in the oven, 350 for like 10 minutes or so. Cut it into pieces, and you're good to go.
Okay, so you can put them out like this and let everyone see them, and then you're just going to use a pizza cutter because maybe you want to have kids. Let's see, you could cut it just so that we don't ruin the shapes a lot. Okay. How you doing there, Scott?
I'm drawing a kid picking his nose.
Oh, excellent. Oh, I sort of have to see that.
Yeah, there you go. Okay, so this is so easy. Perfect. You put these out and everyone has them.
Isn't that scary?
That is scary.
Hang on. Take a look.
Wow, you did that in a few seconds. That was really good. You know what, Scott? Foodology actually has family cooking workshops and competitions. I think you could win if you went to Foodology.
I think you're crazy.
I think you could.
I think I'm going to get in trouble for making that. And probably somebody's going to complain, but there you go. Happy Halloween, everybody.
Thank you.
All right, so to learn more about Foodology, they're local. You can visit foodologylab.com. It's a cooking school right on South Main Street in Plantsville, and fun because you get the whole family involved.
Absolutely. Thank you so much.
Christina.
Thanks for having me today.